task event is a type of automation where it helps user to either create a new task or send an email notification automatically when a task reaches a certain stage. User only needs to define it once from the task template setting page, and the automation will start immediately upon saving the settings. Notification event is useful to let user define their own email notification based on various task stages. For example, an email notification can be configured to notify approver when someone creates a claim request task. Trigger task event is useful when user need to automatically create a new task when the task has reached certain stage. For an example, a task can be created to HR to deduct their leave balance when a leave application task is approved or processed. Alternately, a task can be created to payroll department when a claim request task is completed. Transferring data from parent task to new task can be configured easily. Let's talk about notification event. Click on New Task Event, select Send Notification Email and click Continue. There are basic setting and email template setting here. Under the basic setting, we can configure when you want this event being triggered. For our case, we want it being triggered when someone created this task. This means that we can configure this to send an email to approver. Enter task event name as Notify Approver, and leave status checkbox as checked. On the email template setting, you can click on the search recipient icon to insert the recipient. Let's choose next participant, which is meant the approver and task owner as CC. On the subject, we can click on the search field icon to insert task data as part of your email content. For example, please approve claim request from task owner name. On the email body, we can enter Hi next participant name, then enter there is one pending claim request waiting for your approval from task owner name. Here is the task detail. Task title equal to title, claim amount, date of travel and reason. OK, now it is completed. Let's save this setting. We will test the notification email later. Let's take a look on Trigger a Task event. Let's say we have another task template, Process Claim Payment, created to inform payroll issue the payment. We want this claim request automatically trigger the Process Claim Payment task once it is processed by finance. We categorize the Process Claim Payment task as Child Task. Click on New Task Event, select Trigger a Task and click Continue. There are General Setting, Basic Data Mapping and User-Defined Field Mapping. In General Settings section, we will select to trigger a task when finance process this task, and enter Process Payment as our event name. Set task template to be triggered as Process Claim Payment. Basic Data Mapping and User-Defined Field Mapping let you define what data you want to pass from parent task to child task. Let's set up the data mapping now. For the title, we enter Process Payment for Claim Request and click on the Insert field from Parent Task icon. Drag the Task ID field here. We will leave the milestone and category as Copy from Parent Task. Start date will be 0 day from event trigger date. End date will be 7 days from the event trigger date. Set priority and security level to copy from parent task. Check the document, file, related task, account, and attachment checkbox to copy them from parent task. For the task description, we enter "Please process this claim payment request from." Then, click on the Insert field from Parent Task icon. Drag the task owner name field here. For the user-defined field mapping, we set the payment amount as claim amount from parent task. OK, now it is completed. Let's save this setting. We will test this task event later.